Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is special for Valentine's Day and it's a collaboration with Flora fine food brand. All information of them and ingredients will be below in my info box. So let's get started. I'm gonna be using this kind of bread, naan, so I will cut in half and then in quarters, and I will make a heart shapes because I want to be very romantic today with my recipe, guys. So now let's toast our cute bread, both sides, and when you think they are ready, take them out. We are going to make the first canapes. We need some cheese of your preference and these red sweet peppers in olive oil, and here I have the toast and garlic cloves. I'm going to rub the garlic on the toast until you see the garlic oil on the toast. Then place some cheese on top and finally the peppers in olive oil. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and see how delicious they look, guys. Please thumbs up. Now we are going to make the second canapes. You will need the artichoke pesto, cream cheese, and Parmesan cheese. We are going to repeat the process with the garlic and the toast. Then we spread cream cheese, and finally spread artichoke pesto with a pinch of Parmesan cheese and paprika on the top. And what do you think, guys? Looks delicious, right? Now we're gonna make the last canapes. Guys, I wanna show you this kalamata olives pitted. They are delicious and you have to try. Repeat the process with the garlic and toast. Now we're gonna chop fresh basil leaves. And place them on the toast. And now we are going to chop the kalamata olives. And finally place them on the toast with a pinch of Parmesan cheese and done. We have our last canapes. And right here you have these 3 canapes ideas for Valentine's, guys. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you are going to make them. And you know what? I want to open the red wine. Thank you, Giovanni, for the bottle. Because, guys, I want to celebrate the love while I cook the pasta. Cheers! And here I have all ingredients for the pasta. I'm going to be using egg fettuccine, handmade style, 100% Italian. Also, Flora has an organic line. Look at this fettuccine nest. They are organic. And also we are going to use garlic, fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, some Marzano tomatoes, and extra virgin olive oil. In a boiling water with salt, we are going to cook the pasta for 6 minutes. You always have to read the package, so there you know the cooking time. And now we are going to chop the garlic. And we are going to open our can of San Marzano tomatoes. In a pan, add olive oil, then the garlic, and we will cook a little. We're gonna be adding the tomatoes, San Marzano sauce, basil leaves, oregano, salt, cover and let cook for a few minutes. And when your sauce is ready, just add it to the draining pasta. And add chopped basil and Parmesan cheese to taste. And this is the final result of our canapes and the pasta. Please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I have a Valentine's cookie for my dog. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliar. She has her own videos every Saturdays, and I bring to you recipes on Wednesdays. See you next time. Bye-bye. And remember, all information about Flora below in my info box. Bye.